Hey guys, and welcome to my tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these very cute and simple crochet hearts in the spirit of Valentine's Day that is coming up in 10 days. So I made up the pattern this morning, and it's really simple. It doesn't take very long to make. So what you're going to need to make this is any color yarn that you want. I'm using my traditional red heart yarn that I always use, and I'll be using this red in the spirit of Valentine's Day, of course. And other things that you're going to need is scissors to cut the yarn when we're done with it, and a crochet hook. I'm using a size G as I always do. So what we're going to do to start is make a magic circle. I'll go over it here quickly in the video, but if you don't know how to make a magic circle and you want a more in-depth video, I have one posted on my channel. I'll be linking that down in the comments below. So if you're a very beginner, if you've never done one before, I recommend checking out that video first and then coming back to this one. So the way that we're going to do a magic circle is we're going to take our yarn and put it on right here in between our 3 fingers. We're going to wrap the yarn around this way. Then we're going to wrap it around the back here and make an X. Then I'm going to take my thumb and hold the yarn right here, and then wrap it around like this so that it's wrapped around twice. Now this pinky here is going to go and hold this yarn. Then I'm going to go under this one, over here, pull it down, and make a loop. Then I'm going to go here, grab this yarn, and go right through the hole there. Again, that's very brief. If you want to look at how to do it more in depth, I'll link it below. So now what we're going to do is chain 3, and we're going to do 3 treble crochets. If you've never done a treble crochet, again, I've done a video on it, but I'll teach you here briefly. So all of my beginner crochet videos will be linked below. But briefly, you wrap the yarn around your hook twice, insert into the big hole that you've created in the magic circle, wrap your yarn and pull through. Then we're going to wrap our yarn and go through 2 loops on the hook, wrap again, wrap again, go through 2 more, and wrap again, and go through 2 more. So wrap around twice, insert, pull through, wrap, and pull through 2, wrap, pull through 2, wrap, and pull through 2. Just do 1 more of those. And now we're going to do 3 double crochet. Yet again, posted below if you don't know how to do this. But if you don't know how to do it, I'll show you briefly anyway, just in case. Double crochet, we're going to wrap once, insert, wrap, pull through, wrap, pull through 2, wrap, pull through 2. Now we're going to do that 2 more times. That's 2. And so we have a total of a chain 3, a treble times 3, and a double times 3. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this string here and pull it just a little bit so I don't have such a big hole here. And then of course the string got longer because we're pulling it. Make sure when you're using this, when you're doing this string here, you're wrapping into your work. That way it won't come undone. So you just can crochet right around it. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do 1 more treble crochet. So basically we've done half of the heart now, and this is the point for the bottom. Now what we're going to do is repeat this pattern backwards the other way to get the other half of the heart. So 3 double crochet. That's 1. Pull that a little tighter. You don't want to pull it too tight because you still have a bunch of stitches left to do, but you can pull it tighter a little bit. That's 2. And that is 3. It's 3 double. Now we're going to go back and do 3 more treble crochet. 1, 2, and 3. So now, as you can see, we still have this giant hole in the middle. So we're going to take this yarn, pull it to the outside here, and pull. Nice and tight, and as you can see, the hole in the middle is closed up, and we have our heart. We have one last step to do though, and that's insert into the middle, wrap the yarn and pull through, and slip stitch. It might be easier to do before you pull, but that's just the very last stitch. Now I'm going to chain 1 just to fasten off here and pull out. And there you go. You have your crochet heart. Now what I'm going to do is take this excess yarn that I have here and basically just weave it through my work before I cut it to make sure it's nice and tightly secured in there, because I don't want to cut it and it to come undone, because that would be very bad. So that one should be good there. Just cut that. And this one right here, you can just cut right off the bat, because you should have been at least already sewing it into your work, or weaving it into your work as you went. But I like to just be 100% positive, and I'll throw it through a couple of these stitches in the back here so that we don't see our yarn throughout the front. That should be good. And cut. And there you have it, a crochet heart. It's really simple, really easy, perfect for Valentine's Day. I thought they were super cute when I made them. And if you stay tuned in, should be Monday today, right? Yeah, today's Monday. When you're seeing this, it's Monday. I'm recording it really in advance. So it should be Monday, February 4th when this video goes out, if everything goes to plan. On Friday, February 8th, I'm going to be releasing another Valentine's Day related video that is going to involve these little crochet hearts. So if you are interested in that, you can go ahead and stay tuned for next week and get to practicing on these, because I have a really cute pattern that I'm going to be doing that involves using these. If you want to check out my last video on how to crochet a granny square heart, that should have went out on Friday, again, if everything went to plan. And I really like that pattern as well, so hopefully you'll check that out if you want to see how to crochet a granny square heart. Really easy, really fun. I had a blast recording it. So, other than that, I'll be posting this pattern on my blog if you want the written pattern. It's not going to be a very long blog post, of course, because this is a very short pattern. But all of the other patterns that I mentioned are on my blog. Check out any other videos that I've done. Follow, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I will see you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed. Bye-bye.